Hello, in this lecture I pay attention the blade and if open laravel documentation and blade template. Okay, in blade template, blade is the simple yet powerful templation engine provided with laravel. Unlike other popular PHP template engineering, blade does not. And in this text said laravel blade is very powerful, and for create and use blade, just write blade.php in view file, for example, and if open for example index file, if I use php, this file not used of blade, and if delete this, and if use blade index dot blade dot php, just write blade dot php for using blade. Okay, and enter. Okay, this is blade file. In blade, in php I use php echo $name, and in blade enough to write $name. Okay, close this and refresh, see to it. Okay, for check blade compiled file, blade compiled on php and save in php file. If open storage and framework and view, we can see this. I delete all file and refresh this page. Okay, we see that create new file. Okay, in this file I refresh this file and see that php echo $name and close php and user add. For more define, I one example. Two of the primary benefits of using blade are template. Okay, in example I use index file and not repeat other HTML5 other way. In index file I copy this and paste here and use title Udemy laravel. Laravel I write yield and title. Okay, and in this Control X and write section, or we can yield body. Okay, I can use this yield and yield as you can see, this file contains typical HTML markup. However, take note of the section and yield directive. The section directive and use section section. Okay, section directive, as the name implies, define a section of content, while the yield directive is used to display the content of a given section. In this index page use yield in body for between body open and close, and title use the Udemy title. Okay, for use the index of other way, I use section and end section. Okay, and section. Okay, use section name body and section name title. Okay, and section and title and this. Okay, in body section I use opening section and close section, and in use title and when no needed other code and just text, I use the section one open and close in one name of section that write in here, and in this two write title website. Just for example, write new site. Okay, body can use h2 name and use h name and use h1 name. Okay, refresh. I see the not work for me. Inspect. Okay, body is empty. It is to work, but I can't see any data. In use index default theme, I use section I use extends and use extend index. Okay, refresh. It is work. I use extending file. Okay, when defining the child view, use the blade extends directive to specify which layout the child view should inherit. View which extend the blade layout may inject content into the layout section using section and section directive. Remember, as seen in the example above, I say this example and this for the original view and extended in here.